And it looks like our crew's got it on the trailer and ready to pull out. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And we've got another crew coming in here on the dock as well. And let's see how they do on approach if they can get it landed. I'm a little confused by our truck, though. Our guy's still sitting over there. He's not tried to pull out yet. All this crew brake checks, coming in a little hot. And they're going to hit the dock. A nice little smack to start the day off. And they'll get it pulled around from there. And our crew's coming in. It's been an interesting day. You can tell by the branches right here. We've got a pretty good breeze. And anytime we get a breeze down here at Black Point, things always get interesting. So our crew's going to come in, slow roll approach this, and try and set it up. Taking an interesting approach, though, backing in on the dock. So we've already committed, it looks like, to port side. We have the lines there, which is probably the correct side with the way the wind and current's pushing. So Cap's going to come in and line it up. Let's see how this approach fares. All right, wait a minute. Are we making a change? We're going to go to starboard, but why would you make that move? Bro, the wind is pushing away from that dock. You're going to have a much harder time on this one. Cap trying to show off his skills, I guess. But quickly, I think he's going to regret this decision. He brake checks, and of course the boat wants to go to the port side as soon as he does it. So he's going to have to reapproach this again. It's just interesting to me. They had it set up on the correct side. But we got to make things difficult from time to time. I mean, what would this channel be without difficulties, right? Coming in hot on this approach, giving it throttle. Gonna have to brake check. And as soon as he does, we already know it's gonna go back to the port side again. And here we go. The light bulb should go off any moment that we need to go back and switch these lines back to the port side. So it looks like Captain's gonna pull all the way out and try and completely reset this one. Oh, he just told the guy in the back, hey, move back over to the port. So, light bulb has gone off. But our guy in the bow is still sitting on the starboard side. What, Cap, what are you doing? Again, so he told his guy in the stern to move to the port, but no, we're going back starboard side again. This time you're putting yourself in a tough spot because you've got concrete and another dock on the back side of you. And he's going to brake check, and now we are heading toward the wall. Man, oh man, I thought the light bulb went off, and we looked good when he moved his buddy over to the other side of the boat. And no, gonna have to give it a little throttle here to back out. Cap is getting himself into some mischief. So Cap's able to throttle out of that situation. I mean, come on, bro. You had it figured out the first time. You went back to it and pulled out of that situation again. You gotta grab it this time. Up, and here we go. And this time Cap's got everybody moving over. Light bulb engaged. And my man, hopefully they'll get it on this one. But I mean, really, he's just got to get far enough up and let the wind and current do its job. My man hanging off the bow rail. This is always a tricky situation. Goes for the jump. He's on the dock. We've got a line down, and our crew should be good from here. But man, they gave us a little fun on that one. And we got another captain who's chosen to take the hard path. Gonna fight the wind and current. Does a little brake check. He's trying to bring the stern around, but unfortunately in this situation, the wind is just going to grab you when you do that. And Wifey's like, yeah, I don't have a shot at that one, bro. And hand on the hip. She's not impressed. So Cap's going to back it up. Careful, Cap. Gotta watch out for the dock and the rental boats here. He'll get it around. And Wifey's released the lines. Is she going to move over to the port side? Cap's trying to figure out if they're pulling out or they're leaving or... Makes his turn in on approach. Looks like the end dock is free. But no, we're going to come in, try and fight that wind and current one more time. Let's see if he can land it this time. Getting close, Cap leaves the helm, goes for the grab and the stretch, trying to pull it in. And it looks like he's got it. I got to give Captain a little credit here, though. I saw him go for the key. He actually killed the motor before he left the helm. We don't see that very often. Kind of a smart play. And you can hear the wind just ripping on this one. Wifey's got the bow rail to contend with. Gonna make for an interesting situation or interesting setup on the dock. She's got her line. She's ready to roll. Cap actually doesn't have a bad angle. It looks like he's going to try and let the wind work with him on this one. Little bow rail acrobatics to set it up. Wifey on the pole, ready to roll. And she's second guessing it. She's going to go for the leap. There we go. She's got a hand on the dock. The easy step off. And our crew will get this one put away. And speaking of getting it put away, we're going to go ahead and put this away as well and get on out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.